when we have a question of how much in a physical quantity, the what we are asking you to do. We are asking you to measurement. How do we do the measurement? So we make certain system how to make a measurement. That is, first we make a standard measurement. Standard measurement of a quantity is given a name and is called a unit. All measurement of this quantity are multiples of this unit. If I declare that this is our standard measurement 1 inch, then I prepare a scale. Now I put it here. How many units are there? Let I say there are 5 units, so I will call it 5 inch because name of my unit is inch. French people say the name of our unit is centimeter, and we see in centimeter this is 12 centimeter. So the length is 12 centimeter and the length is 5 inch. So the question is whether its length is 5 inch or 12 centimeter. So we understand a phenomena. Length is a physical quantity. It may be 5, it may be 12. This depends upon what types of units we are going to use. What is the standard measurement we are going to use. Now, what is changing and what does not change? It's very important what is changing and what does not change. The physical quantity related to this does not change. The length does not change. What is changing? The measurement in different unit is changing because we are changing the unit. Every fundamental physical quantity which we have mentioned, all the 9, 7 plus 2. We need standard measurements. How much length? What is measurement of any object? Comparison with the standard measurement. In this case, standard measurement is inch. And what is the length of this pen? Compare with standard measurement, and this is 5 inch. So, what is measurement of any object? Comparison with the standard measurement. Now, the name of standard measurement is unit. The name of standard measurement is unit. So, measurement of any quantity are the multiples of this unit. Now, unit system. In the world, everywhere, we need a measurement. The scientists thought about it and they fixed up units. But that times, the group of scientists were scattered in different parts of world, in different countries. The communication between them is not so good, but the leading scientists were either working in Britain or working in France. The British people make their own standard measurement. They develop unit for the same physical quantity. The only thing, the fundamental physical quantity 7 plus 2, which is 9. This they cannot deny. Neither this British people nor this French people. Because length is length. How you will measure the length? That they made a different case. The Britisher say that they will measure the length, and this we call inch. They will measure the length from here to here, and this they will call inch. Then they say it is very small. This is good. This point to this point. This is very small. And then they say from this point to this point, this length they will call 1 foot. So earlier in British system, unit of length is foot. Standard unit of length is foot. Now mass, and they will measure mass in pound. For the time, they said 1 second is the standard time. So second is unit of time. So length, mass and time measured in foot, pound and second. And they called this measurement unit system FPS, foot, pound, second system. This is British system, foot, pound, second system. In this system, physical quantities are length, mass and time, and standard unit of these quantity. Standard unit of length is foot, standard unit of mass is pound, and standard unit of time is second. But there were few lengths, like from Delhi to Bombay, that cannot be measured by this foot. Length from Delhi to Bombay cannot be measured by this foot. So they made larger unit, give them different name, but related to this with this. They say 3 feet together, 3 feet together. We will call it 1 yard. 1760 yard together. We will call it 1 mile. Then you measure from Delhi to Bombay. Then you measure from Delhi to Bombay in miles, because it is a very large unit. If we want to measure a small thing, then they divided 1 foot in 12 small parts into 12 parts. Each part is called inch. So these units which we made on the basis of standard unit which we made on the basis of standard unit known as practical unit, because for a small thing inch is practical, and for large length miles is practical. So mile, inch, these were the name of unit, but these are practical unit. And foot, pound and second, these are standard unit of this system. FPS system, foot pound second system, used by British people earlier. Britisher was using this. Frenchman, for measurement of length, they use unit meter, but initially when the distance was small, they started the unit system and used the unit as centimeter. Standard unit of length is centimeter, used by French people. For the mass, they use gram. For time, they use the same second. This system is known as CGS system, centimeter gram second system, and this was French system and this was British system, and then they developed their derived quantity with terms of this, like area. Example, like area is length into another length, so length into length is square. So British gave the unit of area foot into foot square, and French people gave the unit of area centimeter into centimeter square. Then for all other derived quantity, they made their units in terms of this and this and this. So there were two systems which are not looking to each other. There were two systems, FPS system and CGS system, but they are not looking to each other. And in India, we were in British colony, so we were following British system. So with the time, there were many development in the world, and there was need to different scientists to talk to each other. There was need for different countries having the relation in terms of commerce. They were using business with each other, and then come the aviation, the aeroplane. They are going from one country to another country, and all these things needed measurements. So it very much required all the world should talk one language. They only we can understand each other measurement, otherwise neither we can talk about business, not we can talk about aviation. We cannot go from one place to other place because we cannot understand standard of measurement here. So the scientists of all the world made the unit system which is agreed to all in all country, and that system was known as International Standard System. That is standard, the international system, and we call it SI system. Standard, the international system, SI system. In this, for length, we have a unit meter, and then for mass, it was kilogram, and for time, again it was second, and for length, mass and time, standard unit is meter, kilogram, second in SI system. And by this development, we developed that 9 quantity system. Fundamental quantity are 9, So group of scientists made 9 types of units. The SI system is modern system and most of country using this.